All right, boys and girls, so for the past couple days, we've been working on long division where the answer gives you no remainder. So that's what this video is just going to review with you, so that way you have some help before you do your homework if you choose to watch it. So with long division, we use our multiplication chart. That seems to be a resource that we use heavily. When we look at our problem, of course, we're going to use that place value method that we learned in school, which is a little different than the traditional, but it focuses on the place value, which really helps us to understand the problem. So our problem today is 798 divided by 2. So we're trying to divide 798 into 2 equal groups, okay? So we're going to start with the hundreds place. So that means we're only going to focus on that 7. We're not even going to think about the 9 and the 8. So we look at the 2 and we think, how many times does 2 go into 7? We look at our grid and we move all the way over from 2. We look at our multiples and we see how far can we go before we hit 7. So we don't want to go over 7. Kind of like the, we can't go over, but we can go under. Those kinds of rules. So 2 times, we know 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. We fill in our zeros. 2 times 3 gives us 6. All right, so we just divided the hundreds place. Now we're going to move on to the tens place. Now, we talked about this in class. We focus on one place value at a time. Now we're going to focus on the tens place, but sometimes we have leftovers. And in here, with this problem, we have a leftover. So we've actually got 19 that we're going to divide, not just 9. So 19 divided by 2. Once again, we look at our grid, we move over from 2, we slide all the way over, and we can't go over, but we can go under when we want to get as close as possible, and it looks like 2 times 9 is going to give us 18, and that is just under 19. So 2 times 9 gives us 18. Fill in those zeros and subtract. All right, so we did the tens. Now we're left over with the ones. Okay, and just like the last time, we're going to focus on the ones place, and then we have a leftover here. Okay, so it's actually going to be 18. So 2 goes into 18 how many times? Once again, we go back to our multiples. Up, look at that. 2 goes into 18 exactly 9 times. So 2 times 9 is 18. And there you go. 798 divided by 2 is 399. So we went through each place value. Nice job, guys.